Okay, here we are again, guys, another unboxing video. Today we're gonna review this Remington virtually indestructible razor. As you can see here, this is the rotary version. I've reviewed the foil version in the past and unboxed it, shaved with it and everything. This is the rotary version. This is the PR1855 model. So I'm always kind of hesitant now when I do these unboxings because I'm always expecting these razors to have hair in them like that last Remington that I reviewed. So let's open this up and hope for the best. Okay, so take it out. We've got the razor. There it is. And the instruction book. The only thing is, when I do a video on this, I'll have to allot 4 hours because I'm sure this thing isn't fully charged, and I'll have to charge it for 4 hours. It runs for 60 minutes. So fairly standard instruction book. I hope there's more in the package than this, because let's open it from the bottom. There is the power adapter. And is that all that's in here? Oh, okay, there's the head. There's also the head cap as well, and the cleaning brush. So I guess that's it. I guess that's all that's in here, which is fine. Okay, so let's open up first, actually, this adapter, since I'll probably need this to charge it later for 4 hours. Now, it's interesting here because with these Remington Indestructible models, they always have these interesting head caps, and they claim that these head caps double as a stubble attachment. So if you were to put this cap on the razor, you could shave with it and it would give you kind of a stubble look, which, I mean, look at it. I don't see that. It's not like this has a height adjustment on it. This is just openings like this. I don't see how that would produce a stubble look. That'll just produce a look like you missed a bunch of spots when you were shaving your face. Odd. And then, of course, we've got the adapter. It's got a white twist tie here on it, not black. I don't know what to make of that. If that was somebody who did that, who got this and returned it, who knows? But again, I'm always leery now of these razors when I buy them. And then the razor itself, again, we'll open this up. It looks like it's probably okay. It looks fairly clean. But we'll see. There's a button here. We'll press that. And it is absolutely spotless. Yeah, it's spotless. There's just some plastic in there, a little loose plastic, but you can see that it's shiny inside. Not a particularly deep hair chamber, but it's you know, it looks pretty good. Let's turn it on here. Oh, here's the trimmer as well. I always like to point that out. Turn it on there, you can hear it. I never use these trimmers. But yeah, just the power button on the front here. which is Yeah, it feels good. It feels like the other one. It's got the rubber sides. So if you're using this in the shower, you're going to hold on to it. It's not going to fall. And again, even if it did fall, it's got the rubber again, so it's going to hit and it's going to be protected. Hopefully, anyway. That's what Remington hopes for. But yeah, it feels good. It looks good. Turn it on again so I can see the head spinning here. Yeah, it looks good. I'm sure I'll have good luck with this. I seem to have good luck with any of the name brand razors, Remington, Braun, Phillips. It's when we get into these Chinese ones, these AliExpress models, these Keme razors that I find are not really up to par for my needs, but Remington, Braun, Phillips always seem to be good razors. So anyway, I'll cut this off now, guys, and I'll remind you again, visit electricrazorwrap.com, post any questions, comments on the razor you bought, and I'll give you a hand there. Also, remember as well, buymeacoffee.com/electricrazorwrap if you want to support the channel, if you want to support the Electric Razor Wrap board. Donations are appreciated. And also subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'll keep making videos for you. I'll get these new razors, review them, shave with them, and let you know my experiences with them. And then based on that, you can decide if you want to try them yourselves. So thank you again, guys. The next video will be me shaving with this razor. So until then, thanks again, and I'll talk to you soon.